Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today you are going to learn how to reinstall kernel in Ubuntu. Using this technical video instructions, you can easily reinstall kernel on your Ubuntu system. First we need to know how many kernels currently installed on Ubuntu system. We can check the installed kernel details using this command. dpkg-l pipe grep-linux image. From this command output we can see currently 2 kernels installed on my Ubuntu system. So I am planning to reinstall the latest kernel, which is the default boot kernel for my Ubuntu system. Fetch the currently installed kernel related packages from the dpkg command output. These are the kernel-related software packages which is installed on my Ubuntu system. This all the packages I am going to reinstall using apt command. To reinstall kernel-related packages executing this command, sudo apt reinstall space. Mention all the above listed kernel-related packages separated by space. Then press enter to continue reinstall packages. Now we can see kernel reinstall has been started. Ideally reinstall will take quite some time and it depends on your internet speed. Yes, we can see kernel reinstall command execution successfully completed. Next, we need to regenerate the initram-fs file for the reinstalled kernel using this update initram-fs command. Also validate the initram-fs file under boot directory before the system reboot. For your information, in my case, I have reinstalled kernel which is currently booted with my system. Also it's called as default boot kernel. So, I no need to modify anything in the grub config file before the system reboot. In your case, if you reinstalled old kernel other than default boot kernel, don't forget to change default boot kernel and regenerate grub config file before the system reboot. If you want to watch how to change default boot kernel, link mentioned in the video description link. I have successfully reinstalled kernel and it's time to reboot my Ubuntu system. I hope this video will help you to reinstall the kernel on your Ubuntu system. Thanks for watching my technical videos. Subscribe my channel and share your feedback on comment section.